So hello guys. So nagbabalik na naman ako. Update ko na kayo kung ano na nangyari sa aking pinaglalaro. So malakas tayo. Ano ko nasabi yan? Siyempre kita niyo, may nakikita ba kayong dapat na hindi pala na dapat nakikita? So kita niyo ba yan? Meron akong evolved Sanraku. We have a Vanguard. Let's go. Kita niyo yung stats niya, OP yung stats niya. So we got Evolved Bounty Hunter, Monarch, Zoro. I have the secret. 3-9 ko yan guys. Pakahirap mag-grind. So 3-9 ko yan. Urza, Z plus ang kanyang damage. May farm. Yan. So I have these two. I have Whitebeard. I have that. I have Ace yata to, si Ace. I have Ace. He is exclusive. I'll try to what it's called, evolve her. And I have my first shiny. This is a shiny. And that's pretty much it. Yeah, I have Luffy too. I'll try to evolve this guy because he is OP when we got it. He is evolved. The next is Nami, another of my and I have another one of evolved unit. So that's pretty much it. So I hope you guys may update ko kayo. So yun lang naman. If you have, please subscribe for more updates. Tatry ka mag-dub pa susunod in the future. So that's all for today's guys. So please leave a like and subscribe for more videos. So goodbye guys.